Hey, the seller sent me this saddle stool for free, so I'm going to check it out and give you my thoughts. This came really nicely packaged. There's a few parts that you do have to assemble, but it wasn't too hard. Basically, you just put your shaft on, pop your wheels in, and then install the stool. No tools required. As far as the stool seat itself, this has some really nice padding and a really nice smooth finish. And like I said, this is a saddle stool, so it's a little bit different. It kind of fits like a horse saddle. So when you're sitting on this, this actually helps your posture. It kind of encourages your back to stay straighter. It's definitely more comfortable than other stools that I've had. My favorite feature here is how smooth this rolls around. It doesn't damage the floor, and it's so easy to just kind of move around on this. Take a closer look at the wheels here. These are like rollerblade wheels. I've had other stools with like metal wheels and they kind of grind and scrape on the floor. This moves seamlessly. And you can see I can kind of just move all around my living room here with minimal effort. This does have an adjustment on the back here. It's very easy to lower this. Right now it's about a height of 16.5 inches and then goes up right to about 21.5 inches. This is so easy to maneuver and you can kind of customize your height. This just goes up and down so seamlessly. There's so many options of use for this. You can use this in a professional setting. I really like this gold finish. This looks nice and professional. You can also just use this around the house. I do a lot of painting and flooring, so I like using a stool when I gotta like paint baseboards. I can just kind of easily move around. I don't gotta burn my back out and slide around the floor. I can also use this in my garage when I work on my car and I don't want to sit on the ground, but I need a little bit of lift. You can also use this at a desk. This gives a lot more upward support, so this is going to be better for your back. Overall, I think this is a really nice stool. It glides, slides, turns so easy. It's got a nice professional looking finish. It was easy to assemble and I think it's very comfortable.